In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the current or former employees of any company on LinkedIn. So whether you're looking to network, research, or just connect with people from a specific company, this guide is designed to help you do just that in just a few minutes. To start, you'll want to navigate to LinkedIn's homepage. Simply open your web browser and type in linkedin.com. Once you're there, it's time to log in. You can choose different options, be it signing in with Google, Microsoft, or your email address and password. Make sure you've got those details handy. If you've set up two-factor authentication for your LinkedIn account, you might be asked to verify your identity. This usually involves entering a code that LinkedIn will text you, so keep your phone close by just in case. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the LinkedIn search bar. Directly under this bar, you will notice a tab labeled People. Go ahead and click on that. It's essential to ensure that you're focused on individuals, as that's what we're interested in today. Next, you'll see an All Filters option. This is a crucial step because it allows you to narrow down your search to be as refined as possible. As you click on All Filters, a range of filter options will appear. You're going to want to scroll down until you find the Past Company section. If it isn't visible, don't worry. Look for an option called Add Company and type in the specific company you're interested in. By doing this, you'll not only see the current employees, but also those who have previously worked at the company. After selecting or adding the company, you'll need to apply the filter by hitting the People button. You can further refine your search by applying additional filters like location, industry, or even shared connections. This makes your results more specific to your needs and can be particularly useful if you're looking for people in a particular region or field. For those who have a LinkedIn Sales Navigator subscription, you have an additional advantage. You can utilize its advanced features to export data and get even more insights into your search results. It's particularly handy for professional networking or sales endeavors. And there you have it. You now know how to identify and connect with current or former employees of any company on LinkedIn swiftly and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope you now feel more empowered to make the most of your LinkedIn experience. Happy networking.